Hey guys, Matt Smallbone from Forest River, Georgetown, FR3. I want to show you guys how you can manually operate your jacks, bringing them up and down. So first off, you got to locate where your hydraulic jack setup is. So right here, it's going to be on the driver's side first pass-through storage. You will notice that this is going to be your hydraulic system right here. Back behind that, that's your hydraulic reservoir. First thing you're going to do is you're going to actually take this rubber cap off. So that's going to be the cover for it. So each jack is going to be operated independently. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with your first one here. You're going to loosen this right here and then actually attach either your drill or a screwdriver of some sort to manually bring that up and down, turning it left or right. And then once you're done operating that single jack, you want to tighten this back up. And then your other two are going to be located back behind here. So you're going to loosen one at a time and then make sure you tighten once you are done leveling them independently.